Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your old contacts or synced contacts on your Telegram account. So Telegram has a cloud storage for every account on their platform. That's why when you uninstall Telegram and then you install it back, you're going to get all the images and videos on there in your account. But WhatsApp is not like that. WhatsApp doesn't operate that way. So it's either you back up or you lose everything. So I'm going to show you how you can delete old contacts that are still saved on Telegram. So now let's come here and now let's move to settings here. It's very simple. And now let's scroll up here and now let's move to privacy and then security here. And on here, let's scroll down here to synced contact. So this contact has been synced to our cloud. I mean the cloud of this phone number on Telegram. So you can choose to turn it off, but I don't think it's necessary. When you tap here, you will be removing all your contacts from Telegram service, just like I mentioned. So now let's go on to delete here. Good, so everything has been deleted. So now let's turn on the sync here to save our information on there. Our cloud information, our contact information alone here. So that's it on how you can delete or clear synced contacts on your Telegram account. So if you are new here, kindly do well to like and then subscribe to my channel, and if you are old here too, I would say thank you for visiting us once again. So that's it for the video. Peace.